Hey guys, it's Carter here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about, is it time to buy Tesla stock? Right now Tesla stock is down about 50% year to date, and we're going to be answering that main question of should you buy this stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So guys, let's jump into it. Roll that intro. Come on. Alrighty guys, I have ticker symbol TSLA up and loaded here on the chart here on Moomoo, and this is Tesla stock. So looking at the chart year to date, this stock is down about 50%. It's gone from about $414 all the way to lows here at about $209 a share. Right now it's trading for about 221 bucks. And this is about a 50% sell-off, right? And anytime you invest, you want to invest in a stock that's going up. You never want to invest into a sinking ship. So looking at this here, let's jump into some support and resistance. So resistance is very, very strong right here at about 378 bucks. Support is strong right here at about $311. You'll notice that each time we just got natural buying pressure when this stock hit this price point. You'll notice that it hit it once here, once here, once here, once here, once here, and now it hit it here, and we're slowly starting to see a little reversal. On top of that, looking at the RSI is what you call relative strength index. It measures the overall strength of the company, and if you look at it, anytime this thing pretty much falls below 40 on the RSI, this historically always represents a solid opportunity to pick up a couple of shares just because of the price. So looking at it right now, it's rated at about a 32. The last time it was at a 32 was right in here, and we got about a 21% return. On top of that, if we continue to look across the board, the last time was all the way back in here, and we'll go ahead and zoom out so you guys can see that. Was right in here, and we got some buying pressure there. So right now we're looking at a stock that sold off, right? Looking very, very well on support, the RSI, all the key indicators that tells you it's a good pick. But let's look at the last couple of earnings. The last earnings, they missed revenue by about $162 million. Companies go through ups and downs all the time. It's always smart though. Look at the last three. So the last one here, they beat revenue. The last one here, they beat revenue, right? So they just missed one. I always think, okay, well, companies go through ups and downs all the time as long as they are doing well. Or what type of economy are we in? Are people spending right now? Right now, we're in this shaky time where people aren't spending. There's no stimulus, right? High inflation, high interest rates. So right now, Tesla sells electric vehicles is their main, source of income. Interest rates are very, very high. So people that want to get car loans are most likely holding off because of those rates. So I always think that's something to take into consideration. So looking at one of the most important things when it comes to investing into a stock is the cash on hand. So right now we're on microtrends.com, which just pretty much tells you all the fun facts about the company. So they have about $18.9 billion in cash, which is a lot. It is. And if you compare it to the long-term debt, they have almost $3 billion, $2.8 billion. So they have way more cash on hand than long-term debt. So if Tesla stock ever goes through a hard time, where they're not selling cars, they have enough cash to pay off their long-term debt and continue to invest in the company and grow it, which is very, very important. A lot of people don't realize how important that is. Looking at the revenue is at about $16.9 billion on the quarter here. And this is about a 41% increase year over year, which is really good. But if you actually compare it to the last couple of other ones, you'll notice that this one here is for that 12 months. And then we have some annual revenues down here. So this one here I definitely think is awesome because we have a 41% increase year over year. The gross profit is up as well, about 46%. And the margin right now is at about 14%. So this company that was once not even profitable is killing it on the profit margin. They're increasing it almost quarter after quarter after quarter. So answering that main question that a lot of people have of should you buy Tesla stock, I think this represents a solid opportunity to pick up a couple of shares of Tesla. It's right on the support line. You could easily swing trade this thing. On top of that, a whole bunch of analysts move their price target to about $300 a share. So if I'm wrong about this stock hitting $400 again, and these analysts are right, we're still looking at a return of almost about 20 to 30%, which is awesome, right? Outperforming all those indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, all that good stuff. And I'm going to be buying more. I also think a good strategy is dollar cost averaging, so you can just invest on a weekly basis, get a good average price, hold it for the long term, and let it ride, guys. So guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe. You guys know what to do with that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.